Where we going?
We're headed to my boy Sergio from All Motor Labs. He's gonna take care of us on this 21 F-150. I don't know if I mentioned who was tuning it before, but we just had too many issues on getting feedback from them. Or like, we'll send a revision or an email, take them a week to get back to me with a dumb question that they'll just ask again in a week later, and it's just, so we just kind of got fed up with that. So I called Sergio. He said he got me, so we're headed over there. We just pumped some 85 and hoping to shoot for some 900 numbers, hopefully. Chop Houston's over there or here.
So what's going on now? Gotta adjust the pulley?
Yeah, I'm swapping out. When are you doing to your truck?
Me?
Yeah.
We're gonna hit a little third gear pull, make sure the truck's doing good, and then after that we're gonna hit a little first gear pull because it's fun. Right now I got it real conservative on the tune, and then we'll start adding more shit to it once we get to the dyno.
Okay.
A little third gear, starting low RPMs, make sure it's straight. Save our time. There's a GTR on the dyno right now, so we gotta wait for that guy to get off, and once he gets off, we'll throw this truck on there, see what she makes.
Little lunch break.
What we're gonna do, Sergio?
Shit. 91 octane 3.8 pulley.
Spun a lot.
So that was like a 1960 foot.
Yeah, that was that. I thought my ears were about to explode. Very cool.
Good?
Yeah, a little loud. That was loud. Roll the windows up. I'll let you guys blow your ears up. Yeah, 850, very first revision, base file.
guys, so we're back from the dyno from my boy Sergio from my motor lab. He took care of us. He got us in and out. We got in a dyno. We made a good, was it 904? We made a healthy 905, 904, sorry. That's pretty much where we left it. It's still on stock trans. Until we swapped the trans and a couple little things, and we probably turn up a little bit more. So next time around, whenever we get the truck back, hopefully sometime soon to mess with it, I shoot for at least 1,000 to 1,100. So we're gonna push this new platform, see how much they could take and how fast it can go before under stock motors. We had no issues with anything. Everything was pretty smooth. The only thing left now, put the drag pack on it. Gotta align the truck. Just a couple of things, make sure. That would be fucked up to do a pull. I think it would be that would be messed up to do a pull.